Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to post ACH payments in QuickBooks. If you're running a business and dealing with electronic payments, ACH, that's Automated Clearinghouse, is a game changer for handling bank transfers securely and efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll be posting ACH payments like a pro, saving time and reducing errors. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have QuickBooks set up and connected to your bank account. ACH payments allow you to transfer funds directly from one bank account to another, which is perfect for bills, payroll, or vendor payments. It's faster than checks and often cheaper than credit cards. Step 1. Log into your QuickBooks account and navigate to the Banking or Transactions menu. Here, you'll see an option for Add Transaction or Record Deposit. Select ACH Payment if it's available, or choose Bank Transfer as an alternative. Next, enter the details. You'll need the recipient's bank information, like their routing and account numbers. Double-check these to avoid any hiccups. Trust me, one wrong digit can delay everything. Input the amount, add a memo for reference, and select the date of the transaction. QuickBooks will prompt you to categorize it, so pick something like Expenses or Payments to keep your books organized. Once that's done, hit Save and Close, or Post Transaction. QuickBooks will then sync with your bank to process the ACH payment, which usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Keep an eye on your account for confirmation to ensure it went through smoothly. A quick tip: always reconcile your accounts regularly to catch any discrepancies early. Common mistakes include forgetting to update payee details or mismatching categories, so stay vigilant. There you have it. Posting ACH payments in QuickBooks is straightforward once you know the steps. Give it a try in your next payment cycle and watch how it streamlines your finances. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.